Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with a haul, y'all. So one of my good best friends, Lakishaloves2plan, sent me two boxes, y'all. Two big old boxes full of Happy Mail. So first I have this notebook with the rainbows on it. It is so cute. Then I have this here hunty. Look at this. And it goes from pink to silver. It is so cute and fancy. Then she got me this planner. And I couldn't contain myself, so I put it together. And it came with the tabs, was a separate pack, and this is extra covers. So that was the Dollar Tree planner, y'all. Dollar Tree stepping their game up. Yes, I did separate it. This is the weekly section, how it looks. And here's the monthly. It's like that. And then the notes section is like that. So I had to put it together. The planner in me wouldn't let me not put it together. Then she gave me this photo album with the llamas on it. You know, they llama girls, llama. And then she gave me this journal set because she went and got the boxes from Dollar Tree. And they had so much in them. And so this is B for me, Beverly. This one has line paper. Then it has the dot grid. And then this one has dot grid also. And they are so cute. Then she gave me another pink book with pink, because y'all know I love pink. And it got the pink sparkles on the end. And it's teal on the inside. Teal is pink, and teal is her colors. And pink is mine. She also gave me this journal here that says big plans on it. Look at those pages, y'all. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. Then she gave me this recollection vertical planner, y'all. So it's vertical line, not line, but vertical. And it's to 2020, so I'm ready to start in August. And look, y'all, it lays flat. It lays flat. Don't show out. It lays flat. Yeah. So then I'm gonna save this for last because it's so big. I'm gonna save this for last because it's so big. She gave me this little coin purse. And she gave me this blessed keychain. And look, y'all, look. Look at these bracelets that she gave me. Look at that. I'm gonna put these on. Look, y'all. Beautiful. And then she gave me this eye case, this eyeglass pouch. And this Wonder Woman air freshener. She also gave me these bicycle clips. I love these so much. They're so cute. And look, y'all, she gave me this stamp with a B on it. I'm going to be using this as my signature thing. I appreciate this so much because when I do my crafting and I send stuff to people, I'm going to stamp the B on it. So that's fantastic. She also sent me this B. Y'all know I'm gonna decorate this, bling it up. It's gonna be so cute. And then she got me this pen here. I love this pen because I'm a queen. Boop. And then she got me this donut pen, y'all. Yes. And look, y'all. Look at the Minnie Mouse, the Mickey and Friends. I was like, oh, when I saw this. I was so happy when I saw this. I love Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So and then she gave me this scrapbook, y'all. It's not gonna fit in the frame, but it is huge. Here's the bottom. The top, here's the bottom. It has all the Disney characters on there. And it has the sheets for you to put your stuff in there. So I'm super excited about that. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. And then she gave me this Bible Verses 2021 inspirational calendar featuring scriptures from the King James Bible. And here's the back, what all the different months look like. This is so beautiful. And I can use this after I finish using it as a calendar to put into my junk journal. So I'm really loving this. And look, y'all. Look at this heart she gave me. Look, y'all. It might have got crushed a little bit in the box, but there. I appreciate my friend so much. I was like, oh, when I got it, I didn't know how to act. And y'all, she also got me some crafting crazy straws, but somebody done already took my straws in the house, y'all. You know, just ain't asked me nothing. So this is my haul from Lakishaloves2plan. I love you so much, Lakeisha, and thank you. So y'all, if you made it this far and you enjoyed my haul, give me a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly and the channel is She Loves Planners and Crafting, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.